Happy morning, friends. Today's topic is about marriage. What is marriage? Marriage is a bonding between two people for which two different families come together, join together, and live together. When you say a bonding, it is always attached, it is mandatorily understanding, and it is always give and take. These are the main elements of marriage. What do you think can do a marriage? Even if two couple decide to get married, it's ideal enough to think about whether two different plants or trees from various other regions can live in one typical climatic condition, weather, atmosphere. Is it possible? Like bringing in all the apple trees and planting next to your plant tree in Tamil Nadu, somewhere in the village? There's nothing impossible, but it takes time. It takes time for the apple tree to grow next to your paddy fields. You can always see neem tree, mango tree, all those trees are fond of this typical condition already in Tamil Nadu, and it grows. So they knew what kind of an situation, atmosphere they would be. But apple tree in Kashmir or anywhere in the hill stations needs to completely adapt to the climatic condition, atmosphere, situation of near a paddy field in Tamil Nadu. It is similarly equal to people joining together, bonding together for a marriage. So it doesn't mean that all people, in Tamil Nadu, get together, bonded well, attached well. Again, there's a pause. They are from two different families, maybe same street or street. There are different kinds of religious belief, cultural beliefs, time management, the work schedule, the parents' character, family belongings. These are the things which takes away the path of a marriage. Personally, I believe if you want to get married, if anything could happen in the world, let it be positive or anything, you should be ready to take your partner's hands always. It is not necessary you have to give a solution to everything, but a bit of understanding. Holding hands with moral support, eyes with love, all this makes marriage, things makes marriage a beautiful relationship with aroma, fragrance, with perfumed. When you cook, you have the beautiful smell coming from the cooking of biryani, right? Marriage should be like this. It is not always one way. It is not always give and take. It is not always adjustment. It is bonding. Marriage is a bonding of two people. You're sticking two people, two souls together. Understand it. When you stick two things together, the society, the people around you, the family members, everything should allow that bonding to grow stronger and stronger. You stick two things and you keep on moving it. Do you think that gum or whatever Do you keep disturbing the two things after putting a glue? Do you think the glue could stick on? After some time, the glue comes out again, it may break into two different things. So don't do that. Allow marriage to grow as a bonding. You be and support, the aroma towards those two bonded people. Thank you. Love you all, my dear friends.